Define before we dissect. We're going to talk about all the outer part of that eye is just a bunch of fat and muscle. So that's what allows the eye to move. In a cow eye, they can only move a couple directions, but I want you to show me, like move your eyes in your head.
What's that rainbow stuff inside?
Let me see.
Rainbow? Rainbow? What is what?
The lens in the eye, you can see that it's upside down, which is exactly what our eye sees. But we don't see it upside down because our brain flips that image back the correct way. Okay?
We did it. We did it.
Where the lens was, but what is this hole called? Several of you thought that that's what this was, but this is the lens. What is this hole called? When it's smaller, it's closed, which is allowing less light. When I open it up, it's open to allow more light, which is what our pupils, right? So we're going to look at our iris, and our iris adjusts to allow less light or more light. We really appreciate the Carson City Schools Foundation because it's allowed us to get some of these supplies that we need for hands-on learning so that our students can investigate and discover and really have authentic experiences. And sometimes these supplies are really expensive, and so it has allowed us an option to be able to reach out and possibly get some funding to help support this. So we really appreciate everything that the foundation has done, not just for us here at Empire, but we know they have supported teachers all over the district. I think the big thing is we were able to bring these experiences to our students, and like we just had a student that walked out after doing the cow eyes that said, "Thank you for this experience, I'll never forget it." And I know students last year that did it have come up and talked to me about it as well, and so it's providing experiences that our students will remember.